Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to learn about some exciting jobs people do. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, we have the doctor. Doctors help us when we are sick. They make us feel better and keep us healthy. Next, meet the teacher. Teachers teach us new things at school, like reading, writing, and counting. They help us learn and grow every day. Here comes the firefighter. Firefighters help keep us safe by putting out fires. They are brave heroes. Look! It's a chef. Chefs cook delicious food, like pizza, pasta, and cakes. They make sure we have yummy meals. Here's a police officer. Police officers help keep our neighborhood safe. They make sure everyone follows the rules and stays out of trouble. Now, let's meet the farmer. Farmers grow our food, like fruits and vegetables, and take care of animals. Thanks to them, we have food on our plates. Do you see the builder? Builders create houses, schools, and buildings. They use tools to build strong and safe places for us to live and work. Here's an artist. Artists create beautiful paintings and drawings. They make the world more colorful with their amazing art. Look! It's the mailman. The mailman brings letters and packages to our homes. He helps send messages and surprises to people everywhere. And finally, meet the pilot. Pilots fly airplanes and take us on exciting trips around the world. Wow! There are so many fun jobs in the world, and these are just a few. What job do you want to do when you grow up? Thanks for watching, friends. Keep dreaming big and learning every day.
JD's Learning Crew.